Sunday nights on the Weather Channel.
Currently in our area, 76 degrees with showers.
Large tornado on the ground near West Grand Rapids. This is a tornado emergency for the Warren area. The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for eastern Kent County in West Michigan, eastern Ionia County in West Michigan, effective until 2:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near central Grand Rapids, moving southeast at 37 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for the Grand Rapids area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: spotters reported a multi-vortex tornado crossing I-196 causing major building and infrastructure damages. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Wyoming, Grand Rapids, Granville, Kentwood, Walker, Ada, Forest Hills. To repeat, a large and extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows if you are in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie down in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on.
Oh! Oh, it's hailing, it's hailing. Oh. Pea size. Yeah, that's definitely hail. Holy crap. Oh, it's hailing. Come here. Look at that, pea size.
Leroy or Battle Creek. It's basically Clarendon at this point in time, and this is cutting right across some of those major roads like I-69. So if we look at where that rotation is, here's the Clarendon area, here's M44, and then there's I-69. And I would say that if this storm is producing a tornado, it's cutting across I-69 as we speak. You can also see we have these bright green colors here out ahead of it. What that basically means is we also have some strong wind that's pushing towards us.
Well, as we told you at the top of the show, meteorologist Kyle Underwood is in the air right now. We do have him on the phone right now. So, Kyle, what are you seeing from that view?
Hey, Marley, we just flew down towards Bangor and saw a definite tornado in Bangor. First actual visual cues that besides what we've seen on radar data that I can confirm for sure this is a tornado. And it did some pretty heavy damage on the north side of Bangor. Right now, I'm over Jamestown Township. We're at about 1,500 feet, and I'm seeing tornado damage. I can see swirls in the field. I can see places where there was definite tornado damage and some trees knocked down. I don't see much structure damage here, but as we flew from Bangor in western Van Buren County up through central Allegan County, I saw some pretty significant tornado damage. But as I look over Jamestown Township, mainly what I'm seeing is some power crews working on lines. I see some swirls in the fields, and I see some trees knocked down, but thankfully I don't see much for serious building damage right now. But we're northbound here at about 180 miles an hour, and so we're going to be up over Granville and Jenison and Wyoming here in a couple of minutes. And so we'll let you know what we see up there. But for now, I can tell you confirmed it looks like a serious tornado through Bangor, Allegan County, and even through central Allegan County, Marley.
Our team coverage continues right now. 24-hour News 8 anchor Brian Sterling is leading our coverage from the field in the hard-hit city of Wyoming. And for them, Brian, it's hard hit again.